Hello children, good morning. Welcome to the online maths classroom of Sri Gokulam Public School, Guruvayur. I am your Joyce Miss. How are you children? Hope you all are fine. Tell me children, what did you learn in the previous class? Yes, in the previous class, we have started our new lesson. Do you know children which is our new lesson? Yes, shapes and patterns. In previous class, we learned about square, rectangle, circle, triangles. These are basic shapes. And also we learned the features of these shapes. Let us see what are the features of each shape. The first one, rectangle. We know a rectangle has 4 sides and it has 4 corners, and we learned a rectangle has 2 long sides and 2 short sides. So we can say that the sides are not equal because a rectangle has 2 long sides and 2 short sides. Okay, the next shape, square. This is a square. It has 4 sides, 4 corners, and all the sides are equal. We know a rectangle has 4 sides, but the sides are not equal. Here, a square has 4 sides, but all the sides are equal. Is it clear, children? Yes. The next shape, triangle. We know a triangle has 3 sides and 3 corners. The word tri implies 3. That is, a triangle has 3 sides and 3 corners. Okay, the next shape, circle. It is round in shape. Then tell me how many corners a circle has. Can you see a corner in a circle? No. That is, a circle has no corners. That is, a circle has 0 corner. 0 means nothing. Okay, children. So, these are the shapes. Which are the shapes? Yes. Circle, triangle, square, rectangle. Okay, children? Yes.
Let us do the exercise problems. Exercise number 1. First question, match the figures with their names. The first one, here you can see 3 sides. So, this is triangle. Let us join this figure with triangle. The next one, it has 4 sides, and also we can see 2 sides are long and 2 sides are short. So, this is rectangle. So, let us join this figure with rectangle. Yes. The third one, which shape is this? Yes, it is round in shape. So, this is circle. Okay. The next one, yes, this shape has 4 sides and 4 corners, and also the sides are equal. All the sides are equal. So, this is square. Tell me children, which shape is this? Yes, this is rectangle. So, let us join this with rectangle. And the second one, yes, this is square. The next shape. This shape has 3 sides. So, this is triangle. The last one. Which shape is this? Yes, this is circle. Let us solve the next problem. Here we have to match the figures with the object. Here you can see 4 shapes and 4 objects. Let us find out the shape of each object. The first one, a plate. See children, the plate is in the shape of circle. So let us join them. The next one, my number book. This is a book is in the shape of square. So let us join this book with square. The next one, a kerchief. The kerchief folded in the shape of triangle. So let us join this kerchief with triangle shape. The last one, a monitor. That monitor is in the shape of rectangle. So let us join this monitor with rectangle.
Next, we are going to learn about the size of the shape. Okay, tell me children, what is this? Yes, this is a book. tell me which shape is this? Yes, this is a rectangle shape because it has 4 sides, then 4 corners, and also it has 2 long sides and 2 short sides. So we can say that this is a rectangle shape. I will show you one more thing. Tell me children, what is this? Yes, it is a TV remote. Okay, then tell me what is the shape of this remote? Yes, this is also rectangle shape, isn't it? It has 4 sides in which 2 sides are long and 2 sides are short. So we can say that the shape of this TV remote is rectangle. See, these 2 objects have the same shape. What about its size? The size of these objects are different, but the shape is same. Okay, that is, shapes can be different sizes. Okay children? Yes. Tell me children, which shape is this? Yes, this is a triangle shape, and this also a triangle shape. Here you can see a small triangle, isn't it? That is, shapes can be different sizes. Let us understand this with examples. Children, here you can see circles. One circle is big and the other circle is small. That is, the size of these circles are different. Here you can see 2 circles, but the size of these 2 circles are same.
Here these 2 circles have different size, but here these 2 circles have the same size.
That is, the shapes can be different sizes. Is it clear children? Okay.
Next, let us solve the exercise number 2. The question, tick the shapes of the same size. Here we have to find out the shapes of same size. The first one, you can see 4 circles. We have to find out the circles of same size. Tell me children, which circles have the same size? Yes, the first and fourth one. So let us tick the first circle and the fourth circle. Okay, let us solve the B question. That is, here you can see 4 squares. Then tell me which squares have the same size. Yes, the second and fourth squares have same size. So let us tick the second and fourth squares. The third question. Here you can see 4 rectangles. Tell me which rectangles have same size. Yes, the first and third one. So let us tick the first and third rectangles. The last question. Here you can see 4 triangles. Tell me children, which triangles have same size? Yes, the first one and the last one. That is, the first triangle and the fourth triangle. So let us tick the first triangle and the fourth triangle because these 2 triangles have the same size. Okay children? Yes.
I hope you have understood today's class. Children, you have to do the exercise problems in your textbook, that is exercise number 1 and 2. Will you do it? Yes. So see you in the next class with another topic. Till then, bye.